Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to migrate from a messy email-only support system to an organized help desk using the free Freshdesk plan. First, sign up for your free Freshdesk account and verify your email. Once you're in your dashboard, go to Admin on the left menu, then select Email. Here, you'll add email address, enter the main support email you've been using, like support@yourcompany.com. Freshdesk will give you instructions to verify ownership, which usually involves adding a small DNS record. Follow the steps to complete this. Once verified, all new emails to this address will automatically become tickets in Freshdesk. Now, for your old emails, Freshdesk can import your past email history. Go back to Admin, find the Migration section, and look for the Email Import tool. You'll typically connect your email account like Gmail or Outlook, and Freshdesk will import past conversations as tickets, keeping your history intact. Next, set up your team. Go to Admin and Team. Click New Agent and add everyone who will be handling support. Assign them the agent role. Change your public contact information. Update your website, social media profiles, and any autoresponders to direct customers to your new Freshdesk support email address instead of personal inboxes. Finally, set up one simple automation to stay organized. Go to Workflow Automata under Admin. Create a new rule named New Ticket Alert. Set the trigger to ticket is created. Add an action to notify agent and select email. Choose your team. This ensures no ticket goes unseen. And that's it. You've connected your old email, imported history, added your team, updated your contact info, and set an alert to catch everything. You're no longer relying on a cluttered inbox. If this helped you move to a real help desk, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.